Frank, let's go.
No, you're not supposed to stand up, get down. It's only supposed to be Al and Frank, okay? Because it was only Buck and Roy on the show. Stay down.
Don't cry about that.
I'm Al. I'm Frank, let's go.
You're hot.
Alright, we're gonna give them one more chance. Maybe they'll get it right this time, okay?
I'm Al. I'm Frank, let's go. Right now.
Hee-haw! Oh my Lord. Let's try this again. Everybody on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Hee-haw!
Hey, I see up in New York that a person gets hit by a car every 30 minutes.
I reckon he's getting tired of that by now. Did you see that Bob in New York?
Yes, the person at the post office asked me if there's anything in the package that could be broken. I said, only the 10 Commandments.
Hey, Pirate Pete. Did you know how to catch a rabbit?
You're, you go in the woods and you act like a carrot.
If you had 25 cents in one pocket and 75 cents in the other, what would you have? Someone else's pants.
Well, don't that just fry your taters?
Hey, Pirate Pete. How you doing? How come I see you eating with a knife at supper?
You're, I got a leaky fork.
I'm gonna go get me some of those lizard shoes, but I don't know what size to get.
Well, what size does your lizard wear?
You're gonna be stopping me gravy.
I crossed the sheep with a kangaroo.
What'd you get?
A woolly jumper.
You're Captain L. I was dragging a chain down the street the other day.
Why were you dragging a chain down the street?
Well, have you ever tried pushing one?
A blacksmith was working on a horseshoe the other day, and I grabbed it, but I threw it down immediately.
Burned just, didn't it?
No, it just took me long to look at a horseshoe.
Hey, sis, I crossed a horse with a black widow spider.
What'd you get?
I don't know, but if it bites you, you can ride it all the way to the doctor.
I feel like flying.
Hold on. You're, why? Did you ever fly before?
You want to start over?
Maybe.
Okay. I feel like flying.
You're, why? Did you ever fly before?
No, but I felt like it before.
You're, kids, what's the difference between a smart man and a dumb man? You're, well, exactly. What's smarter than the dumb one?
Hey, bro Josh.
Yeah, Frank?
Why don't that cow have horns?
You silly goose, cows can't drive.
What?
That was
He put his hand in a horse's mouth to see how many teeth he had.
Oh, what happened?
The horse bit down to see how many fingers Frank had.
Hey, puppets, all y'all get up. I got a story for you. My aunt, she's so... Hey, Frank, where you at?
What?
I got a story for you. My aunt's so goofy, she don't have any sense. She don't get out much, so she's really goofy. Well, she finally decided to get out one day last week, and so she went to town and went to one of those funny houses, you know, where they got all the long hallways and all the mirrors lined up all over the place. Well, she went up to a mirror. She went up to a mirror and she saw herself, and she said to herself, she didn't know it was herself, but she said to herself, "Boy, bless your heart, you look so ugly." So she went back. She said, "I'm gonna go get you a sweet tater." So she went and got her a sweet potato, and she came back. She brought it back and she held it in front of the mirror. She said, "Oh, you already have one. I'm sorry. I'll eat this one." And then she went on.
You're Frank.
Yeah?
Didn't she say you were a doctor?
Oh.
Well, I've got a question to ask you.
You gotta ask the what?
I've got a question to ask you.
Okay.
I thought it was strange that when I did this, it hurt.
Well, don't do that.
I've got another question to ask you.
Yeah.
I thought it was strange that when I did this, it hurt.
Well, don't do that.
Yarr.
This is all.
I've got one more question to ask.
Yeah.
I laid it that.
Whenever I do this,